Hey everyone, it's Mike from Rogala Photography here. Today we are going to do something that's been trending on YouTube is making your photos look painterly. Yes, that's the term that they use. Basically, you're making them look like a painting, whether it be watercolor, oil, acrylic, whatever. You can use this. Now, you will be using generative fill or generative AI in Adobe Photoshop. So just so you're aware of that. Just let's get started here. What you're going to do is you have down here, you have your quick mask tool. If you don't see it, you can add it to your toolbar in the Windows and then go to your tools and add it there. So what you want to do is come on over, double click your quick mask. There we go. And you want to make sure that masked areas is checked and you're at 100% opacity. You can use whatever color you want. That's just the red is the default color. So click OK on that. And then we want to do is we want to click that again to make sure it's active. Now you want to come on over here to your front swatch and you want to click on that and where it says HSB. Okay, so it's hue, saturation, brightness. We want to take that brightness and we're going to start at 20%. Now keep in mind that the higher the number, the less like your photo the painting will look like. Okay, so if you keep the number lower, it's going to look more like your photo. We're gonna try a higher number in a minute, but let's just start at 20%. So we're going to click OK on that. Now we gotta make sure our mask is turned on. And then we want to hit on a Mac Option Delete. Okay, and it'll fill it in. If you're on Windows, it will be Alt Backspace. So now what you want to do is turn your mask off. Now come on up over here to your generative or your contextual taskbar. Click Generative Fill. We're going to type in watercolor painting. And then we're going to click Generate. And now it's going to do its thing. It's actually sending it up to Adobe's cloud. It's going to give you 3 choices here. And the good thing about the generative AI is that you can get multiple, keep hitting generate and get more choices. And you can see here, here's the first choice. Here is your second choice, if my computer can hurry up. And there's your third choice. Boy, this is going slow today. I'm not sure which one I like. I definitely don't like this first one here. Actually, that's not bad. And then that one's, I don't like that one. So for me, it's either the first one or the last one. I probably like the last one a little bit better. That is at 20%. Now, I'm going to show you real quick. Let me get rid of this layer right here. We're going to move that to the garbage can. And, just in case, I'm going to hit Command J just to duplicate my layer. So I'm going to click that quick mask tool, come on over, and I want to click this. I'm going to do this at, let's do it 50%. 50%. Click OK. Now I'm going to hit Option Delete to fill it in. All right. Now I'm going to turn my mask off. Click Generative Fill. Click Watercolor Painting. Click Generate. Let it do its thing here. And you can see it definitely did a lot more. I mean, it doesn't even look like the original photo there. I mean, come on over here. You can see there's before and there's after. So you can see the lower the number, the more like the original image it will look. Let me come on over here. We're going to try a landscape photo real quick. So let me hit Command J, duplicate my layers, turn on my quick mask. We're going to come on up here. We are going to lower this down. Let's do this at 10%. All right, 10%. Click OK. Turn off the mask. Let's see here. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. Let me make sure we got the, it's at 10%. I forgot to fill this option delete. There we go. And now I can turn the mask off. Hit generative fill, water, color, painting, click generate. All right, that actually looks pretty good. There's the first choice. There's the second choice. And there's the third. Actually, the third one probably looks the best. There's number 3. There's number 1. That looks more rustic. And this looks a little bit more, this first sailboat's a little messed up though, but we probably could fix that actually if we wanted to. There you go. Make your photos look painterly in Photoshop. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and hit that subscribe button. At 403 subscribers, I'm really trying to hit that 500 mark. So I need 97 more subscribers. So if you could do me a favor, click that subscribe button. I really, really appreciate it a lot. Until next time, take care, everyone.